We are going wedding shopping because our friend Ruchi Patel has given us a proper wedding theme. 5 events, 5 different outfits that we need. 6 events, 6 different outfits that we need to coordinate. So let's go get started. So you guys know how wedding shopping works, right? The girl buys her outfits first and then the guy coordinates it. So we are going shopping for her, and once we get an idea of what she's wearing, I'll try to coordinate the same colors or the same themes. So we are buying for what? Sangeet now? Or Haldi?
Sangeet.
Sangeet. And what's the theme?
Blink.
Bobbies, we found a lehenga for chef. So the theme is bling, so it has to be little chamkila. Not bad, right? We'll see how it looks on chef. While Shefali is inside the shop looking for lehengas by herself, I got my first serving of fruit for the day, a pink guava. I'm not too sure. So we just got out of the fitting room. Shefali tried on the black lehenga. She liked it a lot, but I didn't like it that much. And the reason being, I didn't like the fitting. Turns out she was wearing size XL. So they're going to stitch it down for your size, no?
Yeah, they had just clipped it so that it fits me. And he was just looking at me like,
Why is it so loose?
he's like, I expected him to say, wow, you're so beautiful. You look like a queen. But mine is just like,
Yeah. So the salesman told, don't worry, we'll stitch it down to your fitting and then it'll look better.
bro, I think you're underestimating how hectic this whole process is for me. Because for me, it's not only the fits, right? It's also the jewelry, the shoes, the bag, and whatnot.
We're now going to Commercial Street to see if there's any other option there. Are you thirsty?
Yeah, he refused to buy me a Diet Coke.
Instead of Diet Coke, I'll get you coconut, bro. See there. Fresh coconut. 30 rupees only. Full money saving, chef.
Even my Diet Coke is only 40 rupees a can.
Shefali is a little frustrated, so she wants to hit me. And I want to see if I can tolerate her beating. Because you never know, she might hit me someday in the future, right? So
Guys, he's just doing this for the camera, huh? If I did this without the camera, he'd be like, ooh!
hit me, let's see if I can take it.
One more.
No, enough. I also have some peanuts here because I need to recover from this damage. Guess how much I paid for this?
30 rupees.
Close. This is 20.
Oh.
Bobbies, we've now come to the next shop here at Commercial Street. I found something that I really like, but it doesn't match our theme. So what now, chef?
I mean, technically it does match our theme, but that's too much, bro. I'm not the bride.
But do you think it looked good on your skin tone?
Yeah, I think it would.
Really?
Yeah.
Leaving empty-handed, Bobbies. Still not able to find something that we want. But you know, this is my first time at Commercial Street.
What?
In my adult life. I think I was a kid when I came here last. I haven't been here as an adult.
I come here a lot.
This entire street is just clothes, huh?
Yeah, entire thing is just clothes, jewelry, shoes. You know what's the toughest theme that we have to match, follow?
For Ruchi's wedding?
Yeah.
What's
It
it?
is Jodhpuri lehenga and suit.
For what event?
I don't know, Myra or something, I guess.
Even I'll have to buy a Jodhpuri suit then.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Good luck.
I'll ask Ruchi only to take me shopping. How about we take a break from shopping and grab a bite?
Where?
Where is a great question. Since I've never been to commercials before, I don't really know where to eat. But I'm not looking at anything fancy. I don't mind eating somewhere here only. Chef, there's Natraj Chole Bhature.
Never eaten it?
You wanna try?
Yeah, we can.
We can share one Chole Bhature. Come. It looks good, chef. I think we'll need more than one Bhature. What happened?
Look at these tiny jalebis.
Oh, bite-sized. Bhature also being freshly made, chef.
Clean though it looks.
Damn clean, no? Here's our Chole Bhature, Bobbies. Chole Bhature and one buttermilk.
Stuffing inside.
The stuffing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's paneer, right?
Yeah, that's funny.
Not bad.
Did you eat better in Delhi?
Kulche? Yeah, 100%. It was a pretty heavy snack though, bro.
Yeah, that was not a snack. For most people, it's a meal. But
I
not
mean-
for big man.
Going to the next shop now, Bobbies. Let's see if we can find something here before going for main course. Bobbies, we found a beautiful outfit here. Right? I brought it to the right place. It looks great, much better than the black. Yeah. Now the only difficulty is finding a kurta for me that matches that. I am literally a magician, guys. We were walking on this road. I said, why not check out this shop, the Opal, and we found possibly the best looking lehenga for her. Sorry, it's a tulip skirt, right?
Yeah, it's a tulip.
Tulip skirt. Bro, you looked amazing.
Thank you.
And Ruchi also approved it. Bro, now I understood why girls come to commercials. You never know what you might just get here, right?
Yeah.
And this shop, by the way, is new. It opened only in November,
Yeah.
right? So we got such a great piece. If not for this shop, she would have gone with the initial black lehenga itself, right?
Yeah, this looked like 20 times better, right?
Way better. Now let's do what we were supposed to do.
Eat.
Eat.
I need a Diet Coke, bro. I'm getting mad at you.
You're getting mad at me because I didn't get you a Diet
Yeah,
Coke.
please get me a Diet Coke, please.
Okay, fine, I'll get you a Diet Coke. Where to eat though? Is there any place on commercials, Bobbies? Alright. Look at me carrying Shefali's bag and her drink. You have to open it and feed it to her because her nail might chip if she opens the can. Here you go, madam.
Guys, 2 minutes ago, he was cribbing about why should I hold your bag. On the vlog, he's acting, huh?
So we couldn't decide any place to eat in Commercial Street. So we're now walking towards MG Road. Not too far from here, about 10 minutes itself. We'll likely go grab Toto's. Works for you?
Yeah, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm a 10 hungry. Because while eating chole bhature...
Chole bhature. Okay, tell.
So, what was I saying? He said, don't eat much, huh? We have to eat main course. Where is the main course? It's like 6 p.m.
I found you such a nice lehenga.
I'm hungry. So, find me food.
Come. Toto's is fine.
Yeah.
Toto's Pizza it is, Bobbies. She's hangry at me. But come on, you have to give some credit. I found that beautiful lehenga for you.
I'll give you credit after you feed my tummy.
Okay, fine. Beautiful Bengaluru sunset. Don't you agree that Bangalore has amazing sunsets?
Yeah, it honestly does have very pretty sunsets because I've not seen a place other than Goa which has such pretty sunsets. On that note, I want to go to Goa.
If you let her talk, no, she keeps talking and then she asks something at the end of it. Goa trip you want?
Yeah.
Here we are at Toto's Bobbies. Gotten my favorite pizza, the peri peri chicken pizza. Let's go.
You've eaten it without me, no, recently?
Yeah, I took Kavin and Mehak to Toto's, right?
Did they like it?
On that particular day, these fuckers put off too much sauce. So they didn't like it as much as we usually do. And did you just eat your pizza from the side? You weirdo. Every day she does something weird which makes me wonder why am I with her.
I'm unique. I'm not a basic bitch.
We've now come to Empire on Church Street to get some more protein. Chicken tikka. We're going to the first floor, bro. Been a while, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is new, no? Legacy since 1966.
Have they renovated?
Yeah, I think they have.
Here we'll sit down. It's...
Yeah, this works for me. Nice the place looks.
You know what's nicer?
Today you've been a little rude though.
Yeah, because you made me walk for 1 hour without any food. Aimless walking we did.
That's also true, guys. 5 p.m. she finished her shopping. After that, 1 hour, I didn't know where we were eating, so we just kept walking.
Yeah, every 10 minutes I stood and I'm like, where are we going? He's like,
Yeah, I didn't know where we're going. I just wanted to get some steps in, okay? Which, by the way, you also needed to do.
we'll see how many steps we have walked. We'll show them.
I think we've done 14k so far. Yeah, 14.2. By the end of the day, I'll be done at 20.
I think I'll close at 16.
You'll close at 16. 16 is great for you, right?
Yeah.
Starting with a watermelon juice, Bobbies. Let's go. Okay. Why the fuck is that kid crying so much? Is that a child or is that an old child?
No, it's a child.
Old child. I just said old child.
You. That is you.
Then again, bro, it must be hard being parents. You're a new parent. You want to go out. You can't leave your kid at home. Not everybody can afford a babysitter.
Yeah, bro, you never know. I'll be taking my kid out everywhere. So who am I to talk, right?
Yeah. We have our chicken tikka as well, chef. It looks a bit more charred than usual, right?
Yeah, these days everybody is charring it a little too much, no? Even that day alag.
I don't know, bro. They changed their chicken tikka. Now they have some 5 chicken tikkas on the menu.
Yeah.
I asked them to get me a chicken tikka. They're like, which one do you want? I'm like, bro, chicken tikka. He's like, we have 5 chicken tikkas. Bro, they made it too spicy, bro.
And a different taste.
Yeah, too spicy. Bro, that Empire chicken tikka was so spicy that we had to get ice cream. We didn't want to get ice cream. We
Yeah.
were forced to get it,
We had to.
right? So we've gotten one Belgian dark chocolate and Black Forest. First time that I'm trying Black Forest here at Milano. Let's see how it goes. Although that chicken tikka was spicy, but it was very cheap. 2 chicken tikkas, 530 rupees. And good portion size as well.
Today has been a cheap day for him, but an expensive day for me.
Yeah, how much was your lehenga?
13,000.
Fuck! 13k.
Yeah.
Church Street packed today, bro. Hey chef, do you want to eat cheesecake?
We can try.
We can try?
Yeah.
Your tummy is not full yet.
No.
Okay, in that case, which one do you want? Biscoff, Nutella, blueberry. Which one?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Huh.
Good. But the blueberry on top, I don't know about that. But the cheesecake by itself is great. I've not eaten much, but I'm feeling full. Or have I eaten much? You guys tell me.
I think I've eaten a decent amount. You didn't overeat, definitely.
Yeah, I didn't overeat definitely. Let's do my calorie calculation. I had 1 scoop of protein at home before heading out.
25 grams.
25 grams protein, 150 calories.
Oh, calories.
1 guava I ate in front of you, that's about 100 calories. So that's 250 calories. Then we ate peanuts. I ate a fuck ton, 500 calories of peanuts.
Bro, he wasn't stopping.
Then what did we eat? Chole bhature, right? We shared 1 bhature by 2. But I ate a lot of the chole, so I'm guessing 600 calories for me.
Yeah.
That's 750 plus 600. How much? 1350 calories. Then what did we eat?
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk, 50 calories. 1400 calories. Next, what did we eat?
Guava, you counted.
I counted guava. What else did we eat?
Totos only.
Toto's 1 pizza shared by 2, small pizza, 350 calories per head.
Something we're missing.
No, 1400 calories plus 350, 1750. Then what else did we eat?
Tender coconut.
Tender coconut, 50 calories, 1750 plus 50, 1800 calories. Then what did we eat?
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka. I ate 2 plates by myself. I'm guessing about 600 calories. So about 1800 plus 600, 2400. Then Milano, 150 calories. 2550 plus cheesecake, another 250 calories. 2550. Bro, 2800 calories.
Watermelon juice.
Watermelon juice 2. So 250 calories. 3100 calories, bro.
Done for the day.
Yeah, my maintenance basically. It's now time to leave, bro. We're at the metro station. We need to go separate ways. Making a face now, but the entire day you were being mean to me.
I was actually being very nice to you.
On camera, she's mean, but in real, she's nice. I
Yeah.
feel like whenever I point a camera at her, she thinks that she has performance pressure. And the only way she can say something is by shitting on me. How many more outfits you need to buy?
4.
4 more?
Yeah.
Oh God, that's a lot. Who am I to say? I need to buy 6 outfits in total.
Good luck.
Anyways, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.